Welcome back to A Many Property TV, where we delve into the world of real estate and provide you with valuable insights and advice. You don't need years of experience to market like a pro. Today, I'm giving you 5 simple steps to attract clients fast. Step 1. Craft your elevator pitch when someone asks, "What do you do?" Be ready with a powerful answer. Example, I help first-time buyers find dream homes in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Step 2. Optimize your social media. Use Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to share success stories, client testimonials, and behind-the-scenes content. Step 3. Network in your community. Join local groups, attend networking events, and introduce yourself to people at coffee shops. Word of mouth is powerful. Step 4. Use video marketing. Video content gets more engagement than photos. Film home tours, answer FAQs, and showcase local businesses. Step 5. Run targeted ads. Facebook and Instagram ads can help you reach the right buyers and sellers. Start small and test different ad types. Want more pro tips? Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Comment below with your biggest marketing struggle.